Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create interaction. So this is my software. With this tool, you can manage a lot of accounts and log in super easily. Just select an account and hit login. The software will open the browser automatically for you. You can add multiple accounts here. Each browser window equals one separate account. There's also a proxy manager, so you can assign proxy to the accounts you're handling. Okay, to create an automatic warm-up script, I'll go to the Interactive Function tab. In this tab, you can pick the account categories that you want to auto-interact. Here, I have two main categories. Then click Add Script. Inside the Add Script section, you can create scenarios and random actions for the accounts. For example, I already made scripts for day 2, day 3, and from day 4 to day 8. These are just basic interactions. There's read notifications, scroll newsfeed. I'll set scrolling time from 300 to 500 seconds. The bot will randomly pick a time in that range for each account. It can auto-like some posts on the newsfeed, auto-repost, auto-comment. For comments, you can use spin format. The bot will randomly take one of the lines to comment. It can auto-bookmark and auto-follow as well. Besides that, you can create advanced scripts on the side, like interact with followers, interact with communities, or specific users. These are advanced parts for customization. For day 4 script, you can copy my settings exactly. Let me slow down the clip here. When I check an action, you'll see the list above. Here I have a total of 7 actions, so I set the number to 7. The delay between actions means the time switching from scrolling to like post or to comment. I'll set it to random from 5 to 35 seconds. And I'll disable duplicate interaction, which means every account will perform all of these actions. Then I save it. I already saved this one, so I won't save again. After finishing the setup, just choose the script you created. Below, you can fetch account info or change language. This is the loop option. After finishing the script one time, the bot will restart again based on the rest time and the repeat count you set. Now I'll select all accounts and set the threads. Threads mean how many accounts run at the same time. For example, I have 29 accounts, so I can turn on around 15 threads. The bot will run the first 15 accounts, then move to the next ones. Okay, I'll set 15, save, and just click Start. The tool will automatically open Chrome browsers and run the actions for you. I'll arrange them neatly. Each browser already has its own fingerprint, so you can use it safely. You can monitor everything on the screen, and the bot will notify all processes here. That's how you create a warm-up script for Twitter accounts before doing actions like messaging, posting, or mass following. Just watch the auto process on the screen. See you in the next video. If you need more info about this bot X, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Bye-bye.